Okay, I'm going to walk you through one of our athletes going through one of our wave loading protocols at Live Lab, and I want to kind of give you an idea of how we use wave loading in our training cycles, and then maybe from session to session, and kind of when it's appropriate to use it and when not. So this athlete is basically at month one of a 12-month cycle, and how we're using the wave loading with her and some of our other athletes is we are giving them the option to pick from one of three exercises for the snatch. So she's on a 6-day training program. One day of the wave loading program will be the snatch lift and a variation, and the other day will be a clean and jerk variation. So she gets the option to choose from three different snatch variations. She can pick one snatch variation to do per wave. And if she wants to change during the wave, or sorry, for the second wave, she can. If she wants to do the same exercise for multiple waves, that's fine as well. In terms of sets, reps, weights, that sort of thing, we have the athletes doing doubles or triples. They have to go on the minute or faster for 10 minutes. Then at the end of those 10 minutes, they're going to rest 5 minutes and they're going to repeat the wave. When they go to after the rest period, they go to the second set of snatch wave, they can change exercises if they choose to. And that's what you're going to see her do. So right now she's doing a high hang snatch for triples, and she'll move and switch exercises to a pull, snatch, and overhead squat complex. So the first wave, she does one exercise. The second wave, she does two. So remember, she'll go for 10 minutes doing one exercise, rest for 5 minutes. They can either repeat the same exercise or they can switch, as in her case, she switched exercises. In terms of percentages, what you're trying to do is you're trying to get a condensed volume of work in. All right, we're trying to give the athlete a great opportunity to get a ton of reps in and work on some technical aspects of the lifts. In general, we want the athletes to be around that 30 to 70% range. For some athletes that are a little more advanced, they'll be able to go higher in percentage. They might even be doing doubles at 80%. And if they want to do that, that's fine. The wave loading is also an opportunity for us to give the athletes some mental reprieve and some choice in their training. You know how it is when you've been doing just the snatch and just the clean and jerk. It can get a little monotonous. So this keeps the athletes on task, on track. They're doing a large volume of work in 10 minutes, and then they're going to rest 5 minutes, repeat. So if you do the math on it, they're going to get at a minimum about 40 snatches in per session, about 60 snatches in per session, and same thing with the clean and jerk. And that may sound like a lot, but if you're doing it at 30%, the volume isn't something that's going to beat them up too terribly bad. Another note is after they move through the waves, they're done with all their Olympic lifting variations for the day, and they'll just do strength stuff from here on out.